and welcome to U.S. Maritime Academy. In this video, we're going to be covering how to use your dividers. In this case, we have the Weems and Plath ultralight dividers. They are highly recommended for this class due to their good construction and ease of use. As you can see, when they come to you, you'll get the dividers themselves, you'll get some replacement tips, and the eraser was an addition of mine. For this class, you're going to want to get a good high quality eraser at any office supply shop or Amazon. You can get the pink or the white kind, doesn't matter, but you'll definitely be doing a lot of erasing. So you're going to want a good eraser. The Weems and Plath dividers come in a very solid format. It weighs quite a bit, and it has some very nice features. As I mentioned, there are replaceable tips. These are the super sharp tips. The replacement tips that they give you come in two styles. There's a dull set, and there's also some pencil leads. Please do not use the pencil leads in these. That's what this good old-fashioned device is for. It's called the pencil. You may or may not know what they are. In any case, you'll be using them throughout the course very exhaustively. And it's a really good idea to invest in a few replacement tips. They're not terribly expensive, and trust me, these are very delicate instruments. If you drop them on the floor, you will break the tips. So to use the divider is very simple. We are going to use this for measuring things, for calculating distances, and so forth. As you notice, I can move these in and out very easily, and there's enough tension in them that if I let go, they don't move. So, but if I want, I can move them back and forth. I can also use this thumb knob right here in the middle to move them in and out, in and out. Sometimes it's easier for high precision to use the thumb knob, as I am right here. Now you notice when I did that, I anchored one side at my reference point right here, in this case, right on a buoy. And I used the thumb knob to move in and out, but I'm also tilting these dividers at about a 45-degree angle. If I don't tilt them and you're looking straight down at them, you can't really see the tips very well. And you need to be able to see with precision exactly where you're setting that reference point and to the other end there. So get used to tilting them, whether you're left-handed or right-handed, doesn't matter. But be sure to just anchor that one side. Now, what that also allows us to do is what's called walking them. So let's say that I have a distance that I want to calculate, but it's longer than this that I have set up. I can rotate it by holding this little knob at the top and anchor this point once again, slightly tilt and rotate, anchor that next tip, and rotate, and just keep doing that until you've walked the dividers wherever you need to walk them to. Now, why is that important? These dividers will only spread about this far, and that is roughly 8 to 8.5 miles. We'll show you how to calculate that in class. But if I have to measure something that is, say, 16 miles, then you'll want to spread these to measure exactly 8 miles. And then again, as I mentioned earlier, anchor one end, take your initial 8 miles, for example, anchor this side, push down a little bit, rotate, and walk the dividers to where you need to go. That simple. These are very delicate instruments. As with any tool, take good care of it. The better care you take of it, the longer they'll last. So there you go. That's how to use your dividers.